Hello, I'm Sheryl Ann with Rick. We are the Phillips team. We are agents with the Coldwell Banker Schmitt Company. Welcome to our live stream open house at 5017 Sunset Village at the Hawks Cay Resort in Duck Key, Florida. This villa features 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. A 15-year rental history which includes all amenities at the Hawks Cay Resort. The use of 6 pools, restaurants, health spa, daily activities, and more. A $5,000 per year value when you're enrolled in the Hawks Cay rental program. Here's the beautiful Tom's Harbor, where you can relax on your porch and enjoy your view and enjoy your breathtaking sunsets. There's a small beach area, along with Sunset Village having its own private pool. Well, let's enter by the waterside. Here is your porch, your private porch. The first floor offers a comfortable living and dining area, nice and bright. Here's the dining area. The half bath on the main floor. And your kitchen, which offers granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, overhead cabinets, and first floor ceramic throughout. Now let's go upstairs.